Thank you, most of the people already know, it's merci. Merci. It has the same root as the English word mercy. It used to have the same meaning, to have mercy on someone, so it's a bit darker than thank you, but today we use it to say thank you, to show appreciation. I know it's a bit difficult because there is this R sound, merci, merci. You'll just have to practice, merci. Now, if you want to say thank you for something, thank you for your help, for example, for is pour, pour, another R sound. Merci pour your help, ton aide, or merci pour votre aide. Merci pour votre aide, merci pour ton aide. Thank you to someone, or thank you all, merci à tous. Merci à tous. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Beaucoup is a lot. Thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup. Another form is merci bien. Merci bien, merci bien. It does sound a bit old-fashioned, merci bien. But you might hear some people say that, merci bien, merci bien. A big thank you, this one I like. Un grand merci. Un grand merci. Literally, un grand, a big merci, thank you. Un grand merci, un grand merci. 1,000 thanks, mille merci. I don't really use that. I guess in Italian, grazie mille is more used. Thanks 1,000 times. Merci mille fois. I heard that once too. Merci mille fois. Merci mille fois. Merci infiniment. I thank you infinitely. I thank you infinitely. Merci infiniment. If you want to sound a bit more proper, you would say je vous remercie. I thank you. So remercier is the verb of thanking someone. Je vous remercie. I thank you, literally. Je te remercie. Je vous remercie, je te remercie. And again, you can add the pour, for. I thank you for your support. Je vous remercie pour votre soutien. Je te remercie pour ton soutien. I thank you for the evening. Je vous remercie pour la soirée. Je te remercie pour le cadeau. I thank you for the gift. Je te remercie pour le cadeau. Again here, devocalize the E. Je vous remercie pour la soirée. Je te remercie pour le cadeau. So let's recap. Many ways to say thank you. Merci, the most standard one that you should know. And you can couple it with merci bien, merci beaucoup, merci infiniment, merci mille fois. You can say mille merci, un grand merci, or if you want to sound a bit more proper, je vous remercie, je te remercie. I would personally use merci, merci beaucoup, un grand merci, and je vous remercie, ou je te remercie, depending on the context. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.